Hello, welcome to Crafty Crafts. My name is Debbie and thank you so much for clicking onto my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how I like to decorate a plain vase. It's not that plain, but it's a bit plain for me because I like to, got a thing for bling, so I like to kind of fancy up things. So what you will need is a vase that you want to fancy up a bit. Some stick-on gems of your choice. I'm using these ones, stick-on gems, and some floral ribbon. The floral ribbon I have previously pleated already. If you want to see how I pleated this gorgeous ribbon, then click onto my other channel, please. So I've done some ribboning on several pieces of gorgeous floral ribbon, and so what I want to do in the future is change it. So what I've done, I've stapled one together and then I will just place it on top, so it's going to look quite fancy. So you have to get some floral ribbon that's big enough, and then what I did, I stapled it from the outside like this, and then I turned it inside out, and then I can place it on top. So you have to try and make the ribbon big enough so by the time you pleat it and then put it on top, but this is a perfect size. And then I've already started to stick some gorgeous gems onto the body of the vase. So I'm using tweezers. You don't have to, but I'm using tweezers because I find like if you pick the little gems off, well, because these gems are little, when you pick them off they get stuck behind the back of your nails and you're decorating the vase, not the inside of your nails. So I've already put some on, and what I like to do is just pick up one with the, pick it up with the tweezers, and then you sort of, you can put it in between where there's a space, so you can get like a sequence going on, like some sort of pattern going on. So you just pick a piece, pick one up, and there's a gap here, so you would just stick it here. It doesn't matter how much you put on, it's just how you like it to look. If you want it to be very blingy, or you just want a little decorations, you know. So I think here looks a little bit bare, so I'm going to put maybe a little purple one here in the middle. So it's a bit fiddly to pick it up, but you get there in the end. So here's a little bit bare for me, so I put one here. So I can space it out. So I can put one, say there's a gap here, one here. It's actually two, but that's actually two. That's two there, so we're just gonna, oops, can be a bit fiddly, can sort of jump away from you. So I would stick it in the middle here, so it's sort of got, you know, a bit randomly. And the colours, I've got like red here, so I try and not have the same colour next to each other, but I mean obviously if you want to, you can. So I'll keep turning it round, stick one underneath, get another colour, can stick one where there's a gap right here, and there's a gap at the top here, so I'll sort of stick one up here. And then I'll pick up a lovely blue one and stick it down here. So you've just kind of got some kind of sequence going on. So this bit's a bit bare. Well, it's quite bare actually, not a bit. So I'm going to pick up a nice pink one, and I'm just going to plonk it in the middle. Pick up a purple one, and put them in the middle. My favourite colour is the clear ones, but I like to kind of try all different things. You could put one here. So you can put as many as you like. It's looking a little bit bare, so I will just put one in the middle so it could look even, and a little bit bare here, because I want it to look even all the way round, not some gappy and some have got a lot. I don't really like to place the same colour, so I've got another lighter one here. So I think that looks fair. Let's see, it's a little gappy there, so I would stick a colour that I not the same colour next to it, say purple, and stick it in the middle there. So if you look around and you see a little gaps, that it might be looking at little spaces looking a bit lonely, you can just stick that on. So you see how simple and easy it is to just change one, how to change a vase. Okay, just stick them on. So there we are. I think it's looking lovely. So if I get a bit bored, of this one, I can take it off. I can extend this one because I've got two here, so I can staple them together. And then I can just take this off. And just take this one off. And staple these together. This one, you can just open this one. Make one, extend one. And then it will be green. Or I've got another one. I love this one. It's a little bit too short. So all I have to do is just make another bit of ribbon like this, staple it together, and then turn it round, staple it, and then turn it round and staple it, and then just staple it like that, and then I'll just show you. What you do is just like staple it here. One staple or two, and then you would sort of turn it back on itself. And then if that fit, you can just place that on there. So, but I love this one, so I'm going to place this one back here because it fits the best. And also, I think it matches. I like my colours to kind of match a little bit. So it can be quite versatile. Just make all different colours, staple it together and place it on top. And if you even get bored of the gems, you can always just take them off and change them, or take them all together. So it looks like you're buying a new vase, but it's the same one, but you just keep changing it. So I do hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please, I'll be very grateful if you can give it a like. If you can give it a share to anyone else who you would find would be interested in watching it. Please subscribe. I'm going to be posting every Monday and Tuesday. And thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. If you've got any comments, please comment down below. And I hope to speak to you. Have a good day and have fun while learning. Bye for now.